Hello, in front of me I've got DOOGEE T40 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to insert SIM SD card. In the beginning, prepare SIM card tray opener. Take a look at the side of your tab, right here. We've got the SIM card tray. Insert SIM card tray opener, push it, and remove the tray. Now, place the SIM card like this. And SD card like this. Insert it back. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.